Hi everyone! Just giving you a heads up that it looks like Jackson's is prepping for a huge paper sale, just as I predicted. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out my Jackson's 2022 sales summary video and you'll understand. So, on to the paper sale. It's a massive paper sale again, it looks like. If you want to browse everything, then just go to the tab up here that says Surface, and then go to Paper and Card. Most products in this category are on promotion right now. Everything from sketchbooks and various types of pads, to blocks, to sheets, rolls, and cut paper blocks. I'm sure you already have ones you have your eye on, but I'm going to highlight a few underdogs. So recently I got this Fabriano Venezia sketchbook and I'm loving it so much already. It is definitely suitable for multiple washes of watercolor. And this other product, Jackson's watercolor sketchbook, I can really recommend this, but I'll leave a link to a video where I featured the sketchbook and you can decide for yourself. Apart from the paper sale, I just wanted to let you know that Roman Small products are still on sale as well, so if you want to grab some things from there in one go, you can. And lastly, Jackson's was out of stock of this for so many months, but they finally now have the Shinhan PWC dot card back in stock. I already have one, but I've been keeping an eye out for a couple people, so yeah, get yours before you have to wait months again. So all the links that I've mentioned will all be in the description box below. And that's pretty much it for today. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.